Hi there, folks. This is Levi Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your Class B and B Plus RV specialists. Please check out our website, www.truckandrv.com. That's truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. Or give us a call at 419-899-2020. For sale today, we have a 2001. This motorhome is made by Peak Manufacturing, and they call it a Kodiak. Nice, short little motorhome. If you have any questions on this one, please give us a call. All right, folks, I'm going to show you the inside of this Kodiak. I'm going to start up front. I'll work my way to the back, and then I'll come back towards the front. On the passenger side, right behind the passenger seat, we have a single bed. And on the driver's side, right behind the driver's seat, we have a dinette. The dinette will sleep 2, and the bed will sleep 1, for a total sleeping capacity of 3. The interior of this motorhome is really nice for the age. The cushions, the fabric, the carpet are all in really nice shape. It's got nice wood cabinetry all the way around. Got the fantastic fan. Got a good sized wardrobe or pantry here. Nice sized fridge. And some more storage. In the very rear of the motorhome, we have the kitchen area. You've got a 3-burner cooktop with an oven, a kitchen sink, and a microwave. This one has a rooftop AC. And it has what is called a wet bath. The shower and toilet and the bathroom sink are all kind of combined into one space. And the walk-in door to the rear. If you have any questions on this unit, please give us a call at Kuhn Truck and RV at 419-899-2020.